Hey, what's up guys? I hope you are doing well. In today's video we are going to talk about adding an empty, empty object. Though it's helpful, but you can't see the helpfulness of this object in this video. But in the later tutorials you can see it, okay? But now I'm just showing it to you, so it will be helpful, not for now, but you should know, you should see them so you can experience them, so it will not be a weird thing for you. So press Shift A and go to the empty. We have plain axis. We can press G and go with X axis, put it here, and Shift A, go to the arrow, put it in the Y axis like this. Shift A and single arrow, let's put it like this. Shift A, and this was the plane axis, this was the arrow, this one was the single arrow, and we have a circle like this. I'll press GX and Shift A, we go with the cube, which is empty cube. Let's go with the X axis, and Shift A with the sphere, okay, with the Y axis, let it be here, and the cone is like this, and Shift A, we have an image, okay. Let's see. You can see that they don't have they don't have edit mode, only object mode. But in other in the meshes and the others we had the object mode, scope mode, but in the empty we don't have anything. But they are helpful. You will see the helpfulness of this object. That's amazing when you when you are trying to rig an animation or a character. You'll use them, of course, okay, or while using a modifier. You can see I can scale them, and I can move them, I can rotate them. You see, that's it. See you in the next video. Goodbye.